Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to a step-by-step tutorial on how to make jamu or herb drink and how to make banana compotes or kolak. So first, we're gonna start by making jamu. And the ingredients that you need to make jamu is ginger, lemongrass, lime, and cinnamon. After you prepare the ingredients, I want you to smash the lemongrass and also peel the skin of the ginger. After that, I want you to prepare a pot and then fill it with water and then boil the lemongrass, cinnamon, and ginger until the juice comes out. After boiling, pour the water into a glass while straining it and then squeeze the lime that you prepared and then stir. After that, it's done. Enjoy! Alright, so now we are done with making jamu. Let's continue to making kolak. So the things that you need to make kolak is cassava or singkong, and then sweet potato or ubi, coconut milk or santan, sugar, bananas, and also palm sugar. And once you prepare the ingredients, I want you to peel off the skin of the sweet potato or ubi. Once you finish peeling off the skin from the ubi, or sweet potato, I want you to continue by cutting the ubi or sweet potato into small pieces. After you finish with the sweet potatoes or ubi, you can continue with the bananas. I want you to peel off the skin of the bananas. After that, I want you to cut them into small pieces. And also for the cassavas, I want you to boil them first. And then I want you to cut them into small pieces. And then I want you to put all the cassavas, ubi, and also bananas into one plate. And now I want you to prepare a big pot and then put water in it until it's around half. After that, once the water starts boiling, I want you to put the cassavas, ubi, and also bananas in. So while we wait for the bananas, ubi, and cassavas to boil, we can continue by cutting the palm sugar into very small pieces. And now, once you finish making the palm sugar into small pieces, you can continue by putting the palm sugar, both sugars, into the boiling bananas, cassavas, and ubi. And then stir it up. After that, wait for it to finish cooking. And now you're done. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope this video is useful. And I'm sorry if there is any mistakes in this video. Thank you all for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.